Do you ever wonder what it's like to breathe in the purest, freshest air, right in the comfort of your home or workspace? If you do, you're not alone. Air purifiers have become the unsung heroes of indoor environments, working tirelessly to rid the air of dust, allergens, smoke, and other unwanted particles. In 2023, the market is brimming with air purifiers, each vying for your attention. To help you make an informed decision, we've unveiled the top 5 air purifiers of 2023. Coway Airmega AP-1512HH Mighty, the compact wonder. Imagine an air purifier that's compact, powerful, and budget-friendly. The Coway Airmega AP-1512HH Mighty checks all the boxes. Don't be fooled by its small size. This mighty device packs a punch. It's engineered to last and priced just right for those who want clean air in multiple rooms. But what's the science behind this compact wonder? The magic happens through a combination of filters, including a True HEPA filter and activated carbon filter. The True HEPA filter captures tiny particles, like allergens and dust, while the activated carbon filter tackles odors and gases. With a clean air delivery rate rating that's off the charts, it can swiftly clean the air in a room the size of your living room. No more sneezing fits during your Netflix marathons. Coway Airmega ProX, the Goliath of air purifiers. Now, let's shift our attention to the behemoth of air purifiers, the Coway Airmega ProX. This beast can handle large indoor spaces like a champ, with enough power to clear the air in rooms spanning over 2,000 square feet. The science behind this powerhouse is awe-inspiring. The ProX boasts a binary motor that generates sheer force. It excels at filtering out particles like dust, pollen, and even smoke, leaving you with air so fresh you'd think you were in the great outdoors. But what's truly astonishing is its speed. In a room almost as large as an NBA basketball court, the ProX can refresh the air in less than an hour. It's like having your personal team of clean air experts on standby. Not to mention, it comes with an array of smart features, including an air quality monitor and app control. In the world of air purifiers, the ProX is the heavyweight champion. Do you like what you're seeing so far? If you do, hit that like button. It'd be much appreciated. Blueair Blue Pure 331i, the Serene Whisperer. If you're seeking serene silence combined with superb air purification, the Blueair Blue Pure 331i is your go-to choice. This air purifier offers the trifecta of performance, quiet operation, and a sleek design. The real magic is in how it balances these elements so effortlessly. Imagine a cylindrical device, 19 inches tall and 7.8 pounds in weight, that can purify the air in rooms up to 387 square feet in just 12.5 minutes. It's like having your very own air magician, performing tricks to keep your air clean and fresh. With a clean air delivery rate of 250, it's perfect for medium-sized rooms. And it's quiet, like the gentle whisper of the wind. At its lowest settings, it hums along at just 23 decibels, ensuring it won't disrupt your peaceful moments. But it's not all about silence. It also offers a rich set of smart features, including an air quality monitor, voice control, and app connectivity. The Blue Pure 331 is the tranquil yet smart addition your home deserves. Alen BreatheSmart 75i, the elegance in air purification. When elegance and efficiency collide, you get the Alen BreatheSmart 75i. This air purifier is not just a powerhouse, it's a work of art. With customizable front panels in 6 different styles, it's designed to complement your decor while making your air fresh and clean. The science behind the BreatheSmart 75i's elegance lies in its ability to service rooms as large as 1,300 square feet. With a clean air delivery rate that can clean 400 cubic feet of air per minute, it's like a breath of fresh mountain air. And yes, it's not just about the looks, it's packed with smart features. The app control and real-time air quality monitor ensure your air is top-notch. But what about noise? You'd be surprised. The BreatheSmart 75i is as elegant in silence as it is in design. The noise level varies from a soothing 25 decibels at its lowest to a modest hum at its highest. It's like having a concert pianist play the sweetest tune for your ears. The BreatheSmart 75i brings a touch of elegance and pure air to your living spaces. Levoit Vital 200S, the compact wonder with a tech twist. If you're in the market for a compact yet tech-savvy air purifier, meet the Levoit Vital 200S. It combines efficiency with modern design, offering you a breath of fresh air with a touch of tech magic. This air purifier is designed for medium-sized rooms, and its sleek design with a glossy white finish and U-shaped air intake is both modern and functional. It's like having a small, elegant butler for your air. The science behind its efficiency lies in the 3-stage filtration process, which includes a washable pre-filter, a True HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. It's like a superhero squad that battles allergens, dust, and odors. With real-time air quality monitoring, Wi-Fi connectivity, and auto mode, it's not just efficient but also tech-savvy. It even knows how to adjust its fan speed based on air quality like a car, adjusting its speed to match the road conditions. Noise? The Vital 200S operates like a whisperer, with noise levels ranging from 24 dB to 54 dB. It's like having a librarian in your room, quietly ensuring that the air quality remains top-notch while you focus on your tasks. Now you might be thinking, how do I choose the best air purifier for my needs? Well, let's break it down. Choosing the perfect air purifier for you. The key to finding the best air purifier is understanding your unique needs. Consider the size of the room you want to purify and the specific contaminants you want to target. Here are a few scenarios to help you decide. If you live in a small apartment and need an affordable yet efficient air purifier, the Coway Airmega AP-1512HH Mighty is the compact wonder for you. It's like having a trusty sidekick to keep your air clean. If you're a business owner with a large commercial space or you simply want the most potent air purification available, the Coway Airmega ProX is your Goliath. It's like having the Avengers on your team, fighting off all air contaminants. For those who crave serenity and want an air purifier that won't disrupt their peace, the Blueair Blue Pure 331i is your serene whisperer. It's like having a personal meditation coach for your air. If elegance is your top priority and you appreciate beautiful design along with effective air purification, the Alen BreatheSmart 75i is your art piece. It's like having a masterful artist create a clean air masterpiece in your room. Tech enthusiasts and those in search of a compact, efficient air purifier with a touch of technology will find the Levoit Vital 200 to be the perfect fit. It's like having a virtual assistant for your air quality. There you have it, the top 5 air purifiers of 2023, each with its unique features, science, and magic. From compact wonders to room-transforming giants, serene whisperers to elegant art pieces and tech-savvy assistants, you have a wide array of options to choose from. No matter which one you pick, rest assured that cleaner, fresher air is just a button press away. So, breathe easy and choose the air purifier that suits your needs and style. After all, clean air is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for a healthier and happier life. Thanks for watching. Before you go, you might want to check out this video here for more health-related tech products. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button and subscribe for more updates. Bye for now.